Hey guys, it's Amber, and I've been meaning to do this video for like almost a week now, and things have been really crazy and busy around here. But I wanted to do a little unboxing of my Allie Edwards 2024 travel collection. So I actually looked in the box to make sure everything that I ordered was in there, but I haven't actually pulled everything out and gone through it yet. Things have been really crazy. So let's pull it out, take a look. And go through it all. I'm really excited to see it more up close in detail. So I did get one of the albums here. I think this is going to be really fun with the Sunburst. I got the mini kit and the main kit. I got the plastic tags, the chipboard set, which they are already falling out. Usually I'll go through and I'll put some really low tack mint tape on the back of these that I get from scrapbook.com to keep them from falling. I can't fix that right now, but anyway, so I got the 6x8 chipboard set. I love that she's getting back to chipboard. Chipboard is always one of my favorite things from all the travel sets, so it's exciting to see. Got the die cut set, the stickers for the tabs. Let's go and do the paper, and then I'll dive more into the detail stuff. So had to get a paper pack. This one has 8 different tags on it that say this happened. We've got labels in multicolors from the kit. And then this is kind of like a sort of a map, sort of travel-y sort of grid. And then I really love this one with the memories because you can do so much with this. You can put chipboards in there. You can put journaling in here by using sticker paper. You can obviously crop photos in there, so that one's really gonna be fun. I love the map. I've been begging for some map paper from them. Even like the pocket, like I will save that and use it. So that's a nice craft. The Sunburst, that'll be really cute to put like a photo here or journaling. So thankful for this trip. I love papers like this because you can do embellishments obviously, or you can cut it to 2 4x6s and use it throughout the album. The best parts with a little spot here for dates, and then 1 through 5. Some labels in the colors of the kit. And I also really love this one because this could be such a great album opener by putting in like a large photo, or you could do a half photo and then like the title of where you've been. You could do stitching around here. There's just a lot you could really do to make this fun. Add some like chipboard embellishments kind of going off the edges. So this adventure filled my soul. So thankful for the memories, the fresh perspective. Here's to new sights and sounds. So love that. That's my favorite paper probably from the whole collection. And when these come out in digital, I will probably buy digital versions as well, just so I have the ability to make more or make it bigger. Like this would be a really cool like 10 by 8 page size. For sure. Okay, let's do the mini kit. Okay, so that's everything. Even this one's like a really cute pocket. You can use that to put ephemera in from your trip, or you can cut it up and use it like pattern paper. I've done both. So it's interesting that they put the tags in here with the cards. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 of these in the colors of the kit. The hole's already punched. I'm assuming that's a 3x4. And then we've got some 4x6 cards here with this Here We Go flag. Wonder, Wander, Repeat, Explore. And this could be a 4x6. You could put a photo and the journaling, or you can make that a 3x4. Time Outside is really the best time. Under the Stars, that's really cute. And so thankful for this. It says Estway. S way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. So I think maybe it means best way. I think that might be a typo, I'm not sure. But really cute. Love this under the stars one. And then we've got a chipboard set here. Love the size of these. These are really fun. They're kind of like badges. So feeling at home in nature. Let's go exploring. Let's sleep under the stars. Time for a new adventure. It's all about the journey and everyday adventures. These are like a vellum letter and number set, which is awesome. They are actually a little bit over maybe it's just I saw one layered over the other. Yeah, it's 2x2. So I saw some promo that they did with that and made some really fun words. It's a really cute flag that says, "Here we go." And then I actually don't remember what all's in here because I feel like it's been a month since the video came out. It has not been that long, but like I said, I've just had so much. My cat was really sick and just so much going on lately. So we've got go outside, wild and free, wander, explore, adventure, and outdoorsy. Those are cute. So some clear words that you can staple right onto a photo or slide into a pocket. So that is the mini kit. Let's slide that back in there. Let's do the main kit. So I actually did not get any stamps this year. I didn't feel like I needed any in physical form, but I plan to get them in digital form. None really necessarily spoke to me, and normally I like buy all the travel stamps. This is chipboard, which is really cute. It's like that travel ticker font. I think I thought these were stickers. That's really cute. So great sentiments on there. I don't know the stuff in here. There's the tear strips and some, I love that, favorite travel snacks, passport photos, always bring a camera. Like there's some really great sentiments on here. On the itinerary, taking a detour, favorite travel games. So yeah, there's some really cute stuff on there. I love that. Get this open. All right, so we've got this travel story along with adventures with the map. And the reason why I want to get like digitals of this is so I can like make a different color version of this to match like maybe a different album. Saw, heard, ate, bought, and loved. Documenting this adventure. I love this. I want this in like every color, so I'm glad they did that for us, and then I can make my own with the digital copies because that's so fun for any travel album. And then these, a piece of the story. I love the design. I don't always love when they have the exact same element. I would rather this said like an adventure story or and I know they do this so that you can use it in any kit, but like adventure number 1 or 2, something, I don't know, but so glad I said yes to this. And a quote, "To move, to breathe, to fly, to float, to gain, all while you give, to roam the roads of lands remote, to travel is to live." So nice sentiment quote there as well. And then let's jump into the vellum cards as well. I love that they've started doing this. We used to do like travel kit specialty card packs, and now I love that it's just automatically included. So some great sentiments on here. Love the far and wide. I think that's like, oh yeah, it's in green. Sunburst or burst, whatever. The go and the pink and red is really fun. I want to go everywhere with you, which these are really cute because you could actually cut this into strips and then add this to a bunch of photos, or just like leave it as is and just like put a little chipboard in there. That's fun. Please be a travelist, not a tourist. Try new things, meet new people, and look beyond what's right in front of you. These are the keys to understanding this amazing world we live in. It's really great. Love that. And then more adventures, please. So that's really fun. And then we've got the 3x4s of This Journey Itself Is My Home. A much needed break, so thankful. Excuse me. Ready, set, go. Hearts with the circles, you can put photo or journaling in there. Lessons learned from this adventure. Some labels, wander further, and some bicycles. Pardon me, sorry. And I love these ginormous felt geotags and the colors of the kit with the different color stitching. That's really fun. Always love a good geotag. I still would love coordinating puffy geotags every travel release so that they match the set, or chipboard, but they've done the puffy ones a couple times now, and I just need it with every release. Travel vibes, ready, set, go, wander farther, and there's a typo. Loved this. Maybe I could like layer that underneath the photo so you kind of can tell what it's supposed to say. And it's like kind of hidden. And then we've got these large plastic pieces. With the travel story, that's from an old stamp set that came out a couple years ago. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. The hot air balloon's really cute. And then the bus, here we go. This is super cute. I'm just not sure how ever to use it because we don't have like a camper van kind of thing like Allie has. We don't really camp like that. So let's have to figure out how I'm going to use it. And one of these days I want to go on a hot air balloon, but I don't know when or how. We'll see. So that is the main kit. And then we've got this tag set here. Just like, I think they used the tags for December Daily this past year. And so there's a lot of gold on here. So we've got lots of just around the bend. Makes me think of Pocahontas. Some solid ones here in different colors of the kit, which is really nice. 5 stars, that's cute because you can use that for a restaurant or for like a hotel or something. I love the map ones. I like 5 star, go, go, go. These you can just use for layering. Loving every minute. Go and see trees, catching a flight. That's cute. The trees. And then we've got like the stripe outline, solid outline. Work less, travel more. Yes. Everywhere. I love these. These are so cute. This part was amazing. Caught the travel bug. Absolutely. More maps. More trees. Wander farther. Anchors, which is nice. Travel vibes. These are all like off center, but that's okay. The hearts, another bicycle, more trees, and another map. So really cute set. I love how those came out. I think these map ones are my favorite. I wish there was like 20 more of just these. They're so cute. So what I'll do is I'll go back and I will organize these by like color, like all the blue ones together, all the green ones together, all the black ones with the white writing. That way when I'm thumbing through and looking for stuff to coordinate with the page I'm working on, I think in color. So I'll definitely go back through there and do that. But the nice thing about these is like these don't have to go on a travel page. These could literally go with anything, but I love the rainbow of colors. It's really fun. So good ones on there. And then I've just got 2 more left. So I actually bought 2 of the chipboard set, another one of these, another one of these, so I don't feel like I need to hoard them. I think I got another one of these and maybe more of these in like a separate order. I think I almost like duplicated everything except the mini kit and the album. So I love these ginormous circles. These are my favorites. Always give me like 3 to 4 inch circles. So we've got book and adventure, time for exploration, nothing like travel, and wander on purpose. And we've got this compass. And then I like how these are a little bit different. Traveling adventures, loving the story, exploring, documenting the memories matter, and recording this moment, calling all explorers. Then we've got these jumbo tags. And then I like these strips, catching the travel bug. This journey creates a story, explore all life has to offer. The adventure starts here. Travel is not always the destination. The outdoors are calling. Planning the next big adventure and the place to go. Those are great sentiments. I love these. They're kind of like really, really large word phrase stickers. They make a big impact, especially on like enlarged photos. We've got outdoors and amazing. We've got explore. These are cute. Under the stars. How cute would that be on like a big photo? Wanderlust. Give me like 20 of those. I want to go everywhere with you. Again, love this. I absolutely going to be buying most of this in digital versions. And we got these banners here. What it's all about. Go everywhere. Wanderlust calls. Yes to adventure and on the road again. Got some icons. We've got the little bus again, trees, the camera, the tent, and the suitcase. Then we've got wander farther, go, travel story, and then some plain circles for journaling or layering with photos. Love, love, love these die cut sets that they've been coming out with lately. And then last thing I have is just the tabs. So I love using these all the time. I have a bunch from previous travel kits, so I'm excited that there's more. So we've got a green set with some different words. Let's go, experience, travel, trip, cute. And then we've got a white set with multicolors, and then the actual like reverse of that in multicolor. Family, so fun, keepsake, capture, snapshot. So these are really fun. I'm excited about these. Weather, you know, sometimes nature, fresh air. Yeah, these are cute. So pretty excited about this. I'm still trying to figure out what trip I'm going to use for these. I do have a Vegas trip that they might work really well on because there's some like deserty kind of colors. I have a trip to Georgia coming up. I don't really know if these are going to work for that. We'll see. I haven't like gone on it yet. But I have like 3 Vegas trips that I need to scrapbook. So this will help with that so that I can get those scrapbooked because I just have not gotten it done. But I am so excited to share this with you and can't wait to start working on one of those Vegas albums soon. I'm hoping when I get back from an upcoming trip to Florida that I can start working on it because I've been working on my Week in the Life album and it is almost complete and I'll have a video of that to share with you soon. So bye for now.